are some quick tips to sell your house not only faster, but to net more money at the end of the sale. So, number one, absolutely, you need to declutter your house and deep clean the house. Now, even if it means you have to hire a professional cleaning crew to come in and deep clean the house, it's worth it. You should probably recoup that money at the end of the sale. As far as decluttering the house, get rid of extra furniture, extra belongings within the house. Not only does it look more appealing, but it actually can make your house look bigger than it really is. So let's declutter and get it cleaned up. Number two is you absolutely want to avoid overpricing your house. I know you hear this all the time, but if you overprice the house, you're going to scare potential buyers away. You're going to have fewer potential buyers look at the home, and then ultimately you're going to spend more time on the market, and then you may have to go and do price reductions in the future, and that always looks really bad. You don't want to be sitting on the market for a long time and then have price reductions on the record of the house. So avoid overpricing, speak with a realtor or two or more, get some good market analysis and get a professional opinion on how to market your house. I'm always happy to help. So number three, take care of those quick, easy repairs. I talk about this all the time. Make sure you don't have smoke alarms in the house that are beeping, and make sure those smoke alarms are actually there as well. You want to fix leaky faucets if you have any issues there, fix any holes in the walls. Just minor repairs can make the property look better. And you're going to save potential buyers time and resources in the future, so they don't have to have a home inspector come in and say, hey, this faucet is leaky, and then they have to do a request for repair and ask you to fix that leaky faucet. So just go ahead and take care of everything that you can in the house before you put it up for sale. It's not a bad idea, and please consult your realtor. I would tell you to do it, is let's go ahead and get a home inspection and do some repairs from the home inspection. Anything that we can do ourselves potentially saves more money and headaches in the future when we're actually in escrow, so we don't leave it up to the buyer to ask for the repairs. Number four, hire a professional photographer. Now, if you hire a realtor, your realtor should pay for that photographer for you. So the cost doesn't matter. That's going to be part of the marketing funds that your realtor should be willing to spend to sell your house. But it's really important to get those professional photos, get those posted online looking good. The more people you can attract from your professional photos online, the more people ultimately are going to get to walk through the house and hopefully write offers for the house. Speaking of writing offers on the house, my fifth tip today is always be willing to show the house. I know it's not easy to accommodate all of the requests, and people want to come in at crazy hours, early on the weekends or in the evenings after work, but do everyone a favor and be accommodating and show the house as much as possible. The more eyes you can get on the house, the more potential money you're going to get for that house. If you have any questions about real estate, buying, selling, moving, anything, give me a call. I'm Bruce Carson with Keller Williams Realty, Central Coast.